going to show you how to replace a stretch belt on a Peugeot 307. Using this tool here, pop off the belt. That's it. That's the maximum I can get on there without damaging that sensor. So that belt is going to have to come off there like that. So that's what I'll do. I'll just get a little pry bar in here and just flick it off the rest of the way to avoid damaging that sensor now that we're pretty close. And there we have it. Now that the belt has been mostly removed, see, once you pry it over the edge, it just sort of pops loose and then it will just come off like so. There we go. And then while we're here, shall I give it these a little spin? Make sure everything feels good. So you just need to make sure it stays on the pulleys as best as we can manage it. And also, thankfully this one here is small enough to miss our sensor, which is great. Now we'll just keep winding it on. Okay, and then once that's done, you can just remove your tool, and then, I'm amazed this actually went on so easy. Usually it's not quite on here. You just have to turn it a few times and just make sure it seats on the pulleys. Turn it over by hand, don't start the engine. And that's it. That's how you replace the auxiliary belt with Peugeot 307. This is the 1.6 HDI engine. If you give this a try, then let me know how you get on. And just by the way, there's two special tools that you need for this. One to remove and one to put the belt on. These are stretch belt fitting tools. I bought this in a little Nielsen set. I don't use them often. They're about £8 or £9 I think, so well worth getting.